This is 266 Neponset Ave, unit number 23. It's $2,700 a month. All the utilities are included. Electric, water, hot water, internet, okay? All utilities included, including the heat. You can see this beautiful appointed apartment. They just did the floors over. They just painted it. There's a new air conditioner in here. There's parking in the back. $15 a month to park in the back on a wait list. All right, parking in the back on a wait list, okay? There's a laundry downstairs as well. This is a really nice apartment. The owners take great care in maintaining their buildings. There's no broker fee, so you just gotta come up with the $2,700 first month's rent and the security deposit, and then this will be yours. It's ready right now. So here's the second bedroom, or the first bedroom. You see the double door closet here. You could put a queen size bed in here easily. So that's the closet, and then there's another bedroom. 2-bedroom, $2,700. Really, really nice. Look at the new cabinets they just put. Brand new stainless steel. Everything's new in here. It smells new, so everything is new. Dishwasher. All right, and this is the second bedroom. This is a larger one. You can put a king size in this one. 2 windows, floors are done nicely. Really, really beautiful apartment. So 266 Neponset Avenue, look at the closet space. And there is a laundry downstairs. I'll show that to you right now. All right, there's the closet. And there's the bathroom. There's Mr. Real Estate right there. Nice bathrooms. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go down to the basement and show you the laundry. So I'll shut all the lights off. Alright. Alright. We're gonna go down to the basement and I will show you the laundry. Alright. There's the parking in the back. You can see parking. And then the basement is down here. Let me show you. This is where the laundry is at. So, here we go. Laundry. Okay? And it's parking in the front and the back on the street. $250. They just put brand new washer and dryers in here. These are new. And every time I come here, no one's washing clothes. All right? Call me, 617-544-7325.